right? What is he up to? Right, I'm gonna take a look at his profile. What is he doing? He's a husband, he's a father, he's an entrepreneur, he's the CEO of a HomeSmart Premier Realty. Awesome, he's a real estate agent. That's incredible, because we actually work with a lot of real estate agents that are looking to get leads, build up their content, just take it to the next level so their audience understands who they are, what they do, and how they can be of benefit.
And so once you find this profile, the next steps that you want to do to cut through the noise, which is number 2, is you want to personally engage. Now, again, we said we don't use automations or messenger bots. This is a big part in actually bringing this personal touch to what you're doing. This will cut through the noise. This will gain the attention of that person. So what you want to do here is like about 5 to 10 of his photos, right? Show a lot of love. When somebody likes a lot of your photos, you know, do you actually, you want to check them out, right? So you want to like some of their photos. Cool. I'm liking about 3. He has a newborn baby. And then I actually want to comment on 2 or 3 of their images, right? So 7 years ago, I'm going to read the caption pretty quickly. 7 years ago, my life and my perspective changed forever. My first child was born, right? And things will never be the same. I don't know how I got so lucky, but Jacoby, right now I know his child's name, is an amazing first child. He's my athletic, whatever, that I struggled beating at Madden. Time flies. I love you, buddy. Right? That's 2 days ago, right? So I would actually say congratulations, right? This is an example of cutting through the noise. Congratulations. This is a really beautiful post. Jacoby, I would say his name, Jacoby, right? Jacoby looks like an athlete, right?
Already.
Looks like an athlete already. Right? You don't even have to spell that thing.
Since the beginning of time.
Right? Looks like an athlete already. So I'm going to do that with maybe 2 or 3 of his actual images, right? He knows that's not an automation, right? Because the people are getting a lot of automations like nice photo and it's a video, right? I'm sure you've gotten that before, right? And so you would choose 1 or 2 more, browse through it pretty quickly.
And then the next picture that we find on his profile is about an office. Okay, cool, he has an office. And then he's talking about his furniture. He's loving that new furniture. Yes, that new furniture is amazing.
And I'm looking at some clues here, right? If he has an office, there's people in there, he must be earning some type of money for his business. If that's a qualifier for you, and you're looking for a business owner, maybe that's earning millions of dollars or $500,000 or 6 figures, those are little clues that you want to look for to say, okay, this is somebody I want to connect with.